Hey, I'm attorney Elizabeth Lambert, and I am representing a family in some litigation against the Whitefish Bay School District. If you live in Whitefish Bay, you may have received a letter from the school district in the last couple of days saying that they're wanting to turn over some documents or some records to me. I understand there have been a lot of questions about this, and I wanted to come online and see if I could help clear it up. I'm out at my kid's sports event today, so that's why I'm in the woods in my hat and jacket. Sorry about that. So the claim in this case, the reason that we're bringing this case is that we think there's some patterns of inconsistency and unfairness in how the district administers policies around bullying and around investigating allegations that are made against students. And in order to really understand if there are those patterns, I needed to look at a historical record. So I asked the district to turn over historical documents that are related to those claims, and that would help me see if these patterns really exist. One thing I wanted to really clear up is that privacy is a huge concern for me. I am a parent. I'm an advocate for students. And student privacy and the well-being of kids is why I do what I do. It's what I'm all about. So before I requested these records, I worked with the school district to negotiate a protective order that's very, very strong and provides a lot of protections for students. Some of those protections are that kids' names, any information that is going to be would help me identify what specific kid is being referred to. That's all going to be blacked out, redacted from the records that the district turns over. So I am not going to have access to anything that's going to identify an individual kid. I'm just going to have the information that's going to help me see those patterns. This is just for the letters that were received yesterday. There's some other situations that are different, but if you received a letter yesterday and if it indicates that the materials are going to be attorney's eyes over only, all that identifying information is going to be redacted, and there's that attorney's eyes only protection, which means that I'm going to be the only person to see. So not even my clients are going to see the records. So there's a lot of protection in place. And so the goal is just for me to be able to look at these historical documents and see if there are patterns there that are relevant to my claims. Second thing I wanted to say is this. My clients love Whitefish Bay. And I'm a Whitefish Bay alum. I'm Whitefish Bay High School class of 2000, and I love Whitefish Bay. I had a great time as a Whitefish Bay student, and it was a very formative part of my life. It is possible to love something and also want it to be accountable and want to push it to be the best version of itself. And that's where we're coming from here. We see these patterns. We do have some evidence already that substantiates these patterns that exist. And we are looking for more evidence that's going to help us fully flesh out and understand what's going on. And our goal is to shed some light and to push Whitefish Bay in a direction of greater fairness, greater consistency, in a way that's going to benefit all Whitefish Bay students. So with that said, I hope that clears up some of the concerns that families are expressing. My website, I will put a link in it to the comment. I'll link to my website in the comments to this video. And I ask that if you have any further questions or if you have information that's relevant to the case that you would like to share, please don't hesitate to go to my website and click on the contact link, and it'll give you an opportunity to reach out to me. Thank you. Have a great day.